Muzata.
Today we are going to show you how to use Muzata CR11 hand crimper tool, which is ideal for fast ferrule crimping. It will significantly improve the work efficiency if you are a professional and do a lot of crimping jobs. The 3 holes could be separately used for 1/16 inch, 3/32 inch and 1/8 inch cable ferrules. The 4-digit model number represents different products. You can always find our products quickly by searching Muzata and model number on Amazon. You might see several items in the search result. They are the same model with different pieces in one package. Just choose the right quantity you need. However, if you are buying for home use, we recommend Muzata CR11 hydraulic crimper, which is more widely used in various applications, especially for stainless steel fittings. This hand crimper tool is really easy to use. Put cable into ferrule. Put ferrule into the hole. Crimp it. The optimized design make it a force-saving tool and make crimping a breeze. It is recommended to crimp twice on different positions to make sure the cable won't loose. Click by Muzata below the title to enter Muzata One-Stop Shop. We have a variety of styles with different specifications on Muzata One-Stop Shop, including lots of all-in-one solution kits and accessories. They have been organized in order for your convenience. You can buy everything you need in a minute. Add the page to browser bookmark for quick purchase next time. You can also find more installation guide videos here. We suggest you add the main page to the bookmark of web browser for a quick purchase next time. Muzata has been specialized in home improvement for more than 20 years. We insist on providing high-quality products with economical prices and professional service, which effectively helped our individual and business clients with their project. We work with every effort to meet customer needs and make Muzata a reliable brand. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Our experienced engineers are happy to help you choosing the right products or solving any problems.
Muzata.